Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery health and charge cycles on Apple Watch SE 3. So first let me show you how to check battery health on this watch. In order to do so, you have to press the digital crown to open the app library, then scroll down to Settings app and open it. Once you find it, then in Settings you have to scroll down until you find Battery Settings and go right here. Next, scroll down until you find Battery Health. Open this menu and then scroll all the way to the bottom of the list to find your maximum capacity, and this is basically your current Apple Watch's battery health level. Now, if you want to see the charge cycles, you have to go back again, then open Privacy and Security on your Apple Watch, scroll down to Analytics and Improvements, and make sure that Share iPhone and Watch Analytics feature is enabled on your Apple Watch. And before we continue, I want to make one very important notice. You can only check the charge cycles on your Apple Watch once iPhone collects some data about it, which may take a couple of days at least. So in order to check your charge cycles, you have to grab your iPhone that is paired with your Apple Watch, then go to the app library, find Settings app in here, then open it. Then on your iPhone again, go to the Privacy and Security section, then open it and scroll to the very bottom of the list until you find Analytics and Improvements menu. Open it and also make sure that this toggle that we checked on the Apple Watch is also enabled on your iPhone. So if it's enabled, you have to go to Analytics Data and then search for the file named Analytics. As you can see, the name format is the Analytics, then the date when the analytics was made, and what you have to do is search for the analytics for the most recent date. And once you find such analytics file, which for me this two would be the analytics, and now what you have to do is open one of these two files and check which of these files starts with Watch OS and then the OS version. As you can see, these analytics are about the iPhone because this Apple Watch wasn't used much by this iPhone, so the iPhone wasn't able to create analytics file for it. Therefore, it's an analytics file for my iPhone, not the Apple Watch, because it starts with iPhone OS and it should start with Watch OS in this place, or even at the beginning of the document. But however, if you found such file on your iPhone, what you have to do is share it by tapping the icon in the top right corner of the screen, then select More and Battery Status, and then on your screen will this window will be displayed with the battery stats. For me, these are the battery stats for the iPhone. As you can see here, we can check the number of complete charge cycles and the current battery capacity of the iPhone right below. So that's basically how you can check your battery health and charge cycles on Apple Watch SE 3. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.